In this video, we are going to use first principle and find derivative of three functions. F of x equals x3 plus 1. We know f prime of x is limit of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h as h approaches 0, which is the same as limit of x plus h to the power of 3 plus 1 minus x3 minus 1 over h as h approaches 0. This limit is equal to limit of x3 plus 3x2h plus 3xh2 plus h3 plus 1 minus x3 minus 1 over h as h approaches 0. x3 and x3 cancel. 1 and 1 cancel. And if you factor h, you have limit of h times 3x2 plus 3xh plus h2 over h as h approaches 0. We reduce the fraction by h. When h approaches 0, the limit would be 3x2. This means the derivative of x3 plus 1 is 3x2. Next example, f of x equals x plus 2 divided by 2x plus 1. F prime of x is limit of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. To avoid having complex fractions, we write it as limit of 1 over h times f of x plus h minus f of x, which is the same thing. Limit of 1 over h times f of x plus h is x plus h plus 2 divided by 2x plus 2h plus 1 minus f of x, x plus 2 over 2x plus 1 as h approaches 0, which is the same as limit of 1 over h times, we take the common denominator, x plus h plus 2 times 2x plus 1 minus x plus 2 times 2x plus 2h plus 1, which gives us 2x2 plus 2xh plus 4x plus x plus h plus 2 minus 2x2 minus 2xh minus x plus 4x minus 4x minus 4h minus 2 divided by 2x plus 2h plus 1 times 2x plus 1 as h approaches 0. 2x2 and 2x2 cancel. 2xh and 2xh cancel. X and x, 4x and negative 4x, 2 and 2. Therefore, the limit would be minus 4h plus h, which is minus 3h. We reduce it by h. We have minus 3 on the top. And as h approaches 0, the denominator would be 2x plus 1 to the power of 2. That means the derivative of f of x equals x plus 2 divided by 2x plus 1 is minus 3 divided by 2x plus 1 to the power of 2. Our last example is f of x equals square root of 5x plus 2. F prime of x is limit of square root of 5x plus 5h plus 2, f of x plus h, minus f of x minus 5x plus 2 minus square root of 5x plus 2 over h as h approaches 0. To find this limit, We rationalize the numerator. We times it by conjugate of the numerator. Difference of squares would be the result of multiplying the numerator by its conjugate. 5x plus 5h plus 2 minus 5x minus 2 over h times the conjugate of the numerator. Don't forget, we multiply both numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the numerator. If we reduce it by h, we have 5 as numerator, and the denominator as h approaches 0 would be 2 square root of 5x plus 2. Thank you.